Hello everyone, my name is Mommy Vanna, a wife, a mom of three, and a host, plus businesswoman too. We've all heard it takes a village, but nobody told us where to find the map. This is your map. Kaya naman samahan niyo ako to discover the beautiful, the messy, the exciting life nating mga moms. Sino-sino po ito? Syempre, di tayo din yun. Ikaw, ako, lahat tayo mga mommies. For all the mommies. This is Moms for Moms. Only on A Studios. Okay, at this point in time, we're going to be talking about life during motherhood. Hindi huminto yung pagkababae natin. I mean, hindi dapat humihinto ang pagkababae natin kahit may anak na tayo. Pag-usapan natin yan. Actually, honestly, pwede mo naman talaga kasing gawin kahit ano, no? I don't get it somehow. Bakit yung ibang moms or first-time moms, iniisip nila na parang, paano na ako pag naging nanay ako? Paano na ako kapag nagkaanak na ako ng 1, 2, 3, gusto ni hubby sa akin, mga 5 or something. Yung thought lang na magiging mommy ka na and you're giving birth to great children, ang sarap ng isipin diba? I don't know, ako, hindi perfect yung start ng pagiging mommy ko. Pero dahil doon, naisip ko na parang, hindi naman kailangan simula perfect. Okay pa, medyo messy pa yung simula ko, pero babawi ako sa anak ko. I'll make it sure na I will be enough for her as a parent because I was single that time. And I think some of the single moms out there can relate to me na hindi naman kasi kailangan talaga ng buo Or hindi, maganda din ang buo, don't get me wrong ha. Kasi inisip ko, ako, ang ganda ng pagpapalaki sa akin. And I always cherish the times that I have my POV of my lolo and I have my POV of my lola. Thinking about it, ang ganda talaga nun. Perfect family photo. But, pag nandito na tayo sa reality, hindi mo pa pwedeng ipilit yung mga things na gano'n. Then, syempre, andun ka pa rin as a mom, starting and creating whatever is there na pwede mong pagkakitaan, pagkaabalahan, pwede ka mag-flourish, diba? Ano ba dapat yung makakatulong sa'yo? Magsaserve ng purpose? Mag-aalaga ka na lang ba ng mga anak mo? Honestly, there was a point in time, let me just share, story time. My panganay, I had to talk with her, as in one-on-one, heart-to-heart kami. Sabi ko kasi, that time, a guy came to me na. And, siya na yung husband ko right now. Sabi ko, before he came, failed na ako dun sa iba. Siguro, ang mission ko na lang is to be the perfect mother to my 2 daughters. So, inisip ko, okay na to, trabaho na lang ako, ganda naman ng trabaho ko, na sustain ko naman lahat. Ako lang mag-isa nagde-decide, hindi ko kailangan ng kahit sinong partner. I mean, strong parent, diba? Or strong mom. Pero, andun yung opportunity, nakilala ko siya, he was parang comforting yung personality ng husband ko When I met him, he's like a very happy, jolly, ganyan, reserved na tao. But you know, in my heart, nararamdaman ko na he can be my hope. So, ang tanong, pwede pa ba? I-open ko pa ba yung door ko? Kasi sabi ko, sarili ko, okay na ako mga anak ko na lang, tsaka ako. Because I think I was doing a great job, somehow. And that's very important when you are in your part part of your life na looking at the reality that you have right now, alam ko nandyan pa rin yung mga illusions na, 'di ba? Parang magpapakadilulo ka ng, andyan yung the one for me. Kailangan talaga makita ko siya. Ganyan. Hindi ako nagkagano. Ang akin was, sige, focus na lang ako. Pero, grateful ako kay God kung anong ibibigay niya sa akin. I was thinking, bibigyan niya ako ng business, bibigyan niya ako ng stable na job kasi I was a freelancer that time. Pero, freelancer, pero mayat-maya, fully book ang lola mo, ha? Hindi nga ako makapag-set ng vacation for me and my daughters. Those time pa lang. So, parang, that time, hindi na ako makapag-set talaga. Ganon ka-busy, no? Ganon tayo ka-bless. And I guess, alam ni Lord kung sino talaga dapat i-bless, no? Until I came to talk to my daughter. Sabi ko sa kanya, actually hindi pa ako tapos sabi ko, Nak, okay lang kaya kung, it's not for something na mababaw She knew I was serious about it. She knew na for lifetime na. Sabi niya, Ma, okay lang. Kasi, for the longest time kami din. Kami yung focus mo. This time, ikaw naman. Hindi na ako nakasalita. After that, I just hugged her. And I am truly grateful na nasa isip ko that time, Lord, anong nagawa kong maganda para i-bless mo ko of having a daughter like her? Bata pa kasing second daughter ko. Baka mapanood niya to, disclaimer lang, selosa yun So, I'm truly grateful na she understood what life is. And she longs for my happiness as well. Yung happiness na hinahanap ng bawat isa sa atin. Yung happiness na gusto nating ibigay sa sarili natin. Kahit alam mo, you find it, kasi sabi nga nila, diba? Even in the Bible says na ang happiness nasa sarili natin, diba? Pero come on, reality ang dapat nating pagtuunan. Each and every day, ang hirap kaya mag-isa. Ang hirap yung dadaan yung mga special occasions, mag-isa ka lang. Especially with me, nag-host ako, di ba? Valentine's Day, di ba? Yung mga ganon, yung when you host a wedding, di ba? You get to be inspired, especially me, I get to be inspired with them na parang, wow, they're perfect couple sila. Ganda ng love story nila. Magkakaroon pa ba ako? Yun yung lagi kong tanong. Sa back ng head ni Mommy Ivana, yun yung laging tanong na, pwede pa ba? Pwede pa ba ako? Ganon siya nagiging totoo in real life. Alam mo yun? Kaya, kung ikaw yung isa kang buhay na tao, na araw-araw nabubuhay, hindi lang para sa sarili mo, of course, di ba? You're still breathing. You are living. And kung magkaiba man tayo ng ending, it's okay. If you're gonna end on your own, pero fulfilled ka with all the achievements, diba? Okay yun. You'll never know. Ako, my partner came in a very unexpected way. Kaya nga napatanong ako diba? Kaya nga pinag-isipan ko mabuti because at the end of the day, hindi ko lang buhay yung maa-affect. Buhay din ng mga anak ko, 'di ba? Pero wala I had the support that I needed. And I think that's very, very important in our lives na alam mo kung sino yung support system mo. By the way, kung medyo kulang ka doon, pwedeng kami or ako ang maging support system. Pero alam mo, honestly, alam nyo that we all have that mom guilt, no? Na kapag bibili tayo kapag magdedesisyon tayo sa isang bagay. to the very least thing. Bibili ka ng mascara, bibili ka ng lipstick, magko-compute ka pa talaga naman doon. Hindi ko naman talaga kinakaya. Minsan iisipin mo, okay ba to para sa akin? Okay, o kaya bibili ka ng laptop, say, kasi gusto mo na magkaroon ng online job. You wanted to try doing something different this time. Or you wanna put out there or online yung skills na meron ka. What if creative mind ka? Oh. Tapos, pwede kang gumawa ng mga online stuffs that can create lots of money online. Diba? Pero pinipigil mo. Alam mo, ang dami ko yan na, no pandemic, ang dami kong nakita na ganyan. And up until now, in the community, in different mom communities that I'm in, and yes, kasama niyo po ako sa mga communities na yan, OMG. Laging tanong nyo, pag rice cooker ba ang bibilin ko, Mami Vana? Mas mabilis pa sa 4:00, ang sagot ko, yes. Kapag ka laruan or gadget ng anak ko ang bibilin, mas mabilis pa sa 4:00, nabili ko na, Mami Bata. Hindi na ako nagtanong sa'yo. Pero kapag bibili ka ng isang bagay na magagamit mo para self-care, skincare, alam ko guilty ka dyan. Dito na lang ako sa mura, kahit hindi naman yun perfect sa skin mo. Kasi priority ko kasi yung yung pamalengke ko araw-araw. Talaga ba? Mami, hindi ganun. Ako, just to share yung mom guilt na yan, hindi ko yan masyadong nakikita. Doon nakikita ko siya before. As in, noon na before pa. Noon nakikita ko siya kasi pinipili ko siyang makita. Ngayon, bigyan ka ng tip. Kulang budget mo. Gawa kang side hustle. Daming side hustles online. Mag-affiliate ka. Para may extra ka. Tapos doon mo kunin. Diba? Ang perfect. Ganun lang. Like ako, I don't ask my husband if I want something na, bilan mo naman ako ng kasi yun sa Korean skincare na kasi maganda daw, tsaka may bagong labas si ganito eh. I don't. I find ways. Dapat ganun ka. I mean, diba? Para walang guilt. Kasi pag nandun ka na sa mom guilt na yun, paano nga yung self-love? I mean, who can give with an empty cup? Bawas ka eh. Kulang ka. You can never perform at your best, believe me. Kahit gaano ka magaling mag-acting, acting is acting. In real life, pag nandiyan na, iiyak at iiyak ka. We can never pour from an empty cup. That's one thing for sure. Kaya ako, swerte ko talaga, or siguro nadadaan din sa manifestation ko. I always put in my journal. Dapat naiintindihan ako ng husband ko when I want me time. When I do self-love, he supports me. Ganyan! Kung may partner ka, kung wala kang partner, then your friends, your support system, your mom, diba? Your sister, diba? Sino kasama mo sa buhay? Sister mo, family mo, diba? Yung inner core mo. I mean, I know a mom na sinusuportahan. Single mom siya, pero nakatira siya sa family niya, tapos sinusuportahan siya ng parents niya, ng family niya. Alam mo yung nagta-travel siya with her boyfriend, diba? Ganon eh. Kailangan talaga kasi kilalanin mo yung sarili mo. Paano mo, ang daming ways of self-love. Ang daming ways of refining yourself to be somebody who can really give. Like, being a mom is so much na hindi nakikita ng iba. Come on, I'm with you. Hindi nga kayo naniniwala, naghuhugas ako ng plato, kaya nag-live ako eh. Di ba? kasi yun po yung pinipili ko. I can be as gorgeous as this one, but I can be somebody or a mom, the other side of me, na hindi nyo madalas nakikita, na hindi pa naliligo kahit alas 9 na ng gabi, kasi nagluto ng lasagna, tapos hindi lang yun, nagluto pa ng beef tapa, tapos nag-adobo pa, kasi gusto kong pagbigyan service and act of service and love ko yun sa mga anak ko, sa asawa ko. So, ang ginagawa ko, pinagbibigyan ko talaga yung mga gusto nilang luto. Di syempre, pag nagluto ako ng mga iba't ibang putahe, para na akong chef, 'di ba? Ako pa rin ang karinderya. Bakit? Ako din maghuhugas eh. O, 'di ba? But I do it with love. And okay lang 'yon. Kahit everyday pa. Why? Kasi pinapayagan naman nila ako mag-self-love eh. Okay lang yan, love. Kaya hindi nila nakikita yung pagod. Ewan ko, mommy, ikaw, try mo. 'Di ba? Kasi it works for me. And aminin mo, nag-glow tayo. Pag may self-love. 'Di ba? What I'm saying is, it just started from me. So, ikaw, hindi mo kailangan ng extravagant, alam mo yon, way of getting into a new season of life or getting into a new season of you. You just have to be yourself. Whatever way you want it to be, you want it positive, you want it bongga, mag-crown ka dyan kung may crown ka, diba? You just have to wake up one day and choose yourself. Choose the life that you want to be. Because at the end of the day, it will really start from you. Do not forget, no, from being mom, aside from being a mom, syempre, you are breathing and living women, no, who deserves to be beautiful inside and out. Kailangan natin yan, no? And self-love is the best thing that you can ever give yourself. The world is so beautiful, kaya kailangan feel na feel mong maganda ka. Diba? So there you go. So send in your comments, questions, even stories. Malay mo, baka ikaw na ang next guest ko, diba? Partner with us here at Moms for Moms. Send us an email at hello@astudios.asia. So again, Mommy Vanna here. Light and love to you all. And always remember, you are beautiful, Mom. Bye! Streaming on A Studios on YouTube and Spotify. Like, share, and subscribe! Light and love!
A Studios. Stories curated for you. Like, share, and subscribe.